Ciao my friends! I'm going to show you one of the prettiest bags I have in my collection. I love to collect bags, I love to collect shoes, I love to collect perfume, jewelry, watches. I like a lot of things, my friends. So today this is from this brand and I bought it on a website, but you can find the link in my link tree for this particular bag. So when you get it, it comes in this dust bag. Actually, this dust bag is very, very nice. It's not the papery feeling, but it's a really nice cloth dust bag. So it comes in this dust bag and from this brand. And this is the prettiest bag that I have in my collection so far. I love it. I love it. It's a very structured bag and it has lots of space for all of your things. It's a little bigger than my typical bags that I like, but it has plenty of room and I love the dressiness of it. So you can really dress this up and go out. It's very beautiful. It comes with a crossbody strap like this here, and also here it has the logo or the company logo etched in on this gold piece, and it comes like this here. Okay, actually this is leather, and when they ship these shoulder straps or crossbody, you can adjust it to the size here that you like. But when they ship these, you will always find them inside the bag, not attached, generally wrapped. And because they wrap it in a round circle way and tape it together, they come with this end of the flap usually bent. You can see it a little bit bent here. I'm not a fan of wearing a bag with the strap, bending out. So to train this strap to go back into place, I generally put a paper clip or a clamp on the end here until it's stretched out and this doesn't flip out. I'm not a fan of that flippy look, but anyway, I train it by putting clamps on. It's just little paper clamps, and I took off the metal pieces. So they're training this strap to hang in a normal way. And it also comes with this, okay, this gold strap attached to it. This one I really love. It's a good metal on the bag, and it also comes with a little logo on the side here. So it's very beautiful. This really makes the bag look extra classy. It comes with a little latch here and you just lift it up. It's all canvas lined on the inside, and it has a compartment here and a compartment here with a zipper part in the middle. I never really use these zipper parts. I don't know why. I don't put a lot of stuff in my bag because that's who I am. But the end of the zipper here comes with its little logo on it too. And you will find this here with the logo on it too. It's kind of embossed into this little piece of leather. So it's beautiful. It has lots of space, and you can even use this one if you want. But generally, I don't use any zipper compartment in the bag. And you just fold it over. You snap it down with the little snap that's here. It's very beautiful. It's one of the prettiest bags that I have in my collection. So if you like it, or if you don't like it, or if you're interested or not, you can find my link in the link tree, and I will see you again soon. Tomorrow, actually, with the weigh-in and my Manjaro shot. See you soon. Ciao.